Matt McCauley. I'm going to teach you how to do a kickflip today. Hey guys, before you want to learn the kickflip, you want to start with the building block of all skateboarding tricks, which is the ollie. Just your basic pop and slide. The ollie. Hey guys, before I teach you the foot placement for a kickflip, I'm just going to go ahead and teach you the foot placement for an ollie, alright? Just to go ahead and get the idea. Alright, starting off, you're going to take your front foot, the foot that's going to do the sliding and the leveling the board out, right behind the bolts, about an inch away from these bolts right here, and your back foot square on the tail, right here. Alright, so when you're doing the ollie, you're going to bend your knees, and then as you're jumping up, pop the back tail down, and then you jump. Sliding your foot at the same time up to the top bolts, and then it's going to level your board out midair, and then just let it fall down under your feet. Alright, and now moving on to a kickflip. It's real simple. Back with the ollie where you had your entire foot on the board, slide your foot back a little bit to where your heel's hanging off and your toes right behind the bolts. Keep your back foot in the same exact place as an ollie. Alright, now when you're doing the exact same thing as you're doing as an ollie, you're going to pop that board exactly again and then you're going to jump. But this time with this front foot, you're going to slide it right out of this coping. Right out of this coping in the board, causing it to flip and spin. And here's the hard part, which is you're going to look right for this grip tape. As soon as you see it, it's all in the back foot. Take that back foot and stomp the back foot right on the back bolts, and then it'll just come right to your front foot. Bam. Alright, now I'm going to teach you about some problems that can go wrong if you're trying to kickflip. Alright, the most common problem with things that can go wrong with the kickflip is probably leaning too far forward. I even catch myself doing it here and there. What's going to happen is you're going to be trying to go for the kickflip, and you're just going to try and get comfortable leaning too far forward. And your back foot's going to completely miss the board. You never want to lean too far forward. You always want to keep your shoulders square, straight up. Alright, another common problem with missing a kickflip is opening up your shoulders. It kind of goes hand in hand with leaning too far forward because it all comes back to you want to always keep your shoulders square and straight up when you're doing your tricks. When you lean down, always keep your shoulders straight. It's going to come right under your feet every time. Alright, when trying to land a kickflip, I always suggest be stationary. Just stand on your board and try to stay still. Find a crack to help you out in your driveway. Even try the grass sometimes. Me preferably, seeing as how it varies from skater to skater, your different styles. I like to be at a nice slow roll and also keep my balance. Alright, well, I hope this kickflip tutorial helped you guys learn a lot. It's actually how I learned how to do kickflips, so I hope it does the same for you guys.